This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, October the 20th, 2012. Now our first look at the 0 of Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, our upper level feature moving away from us into the eastern Great Lakes and eastern Canada. Bit of a ridge trying to build in before another trough comes in from the north and west. We'll have some clearing skies and sunshine today with highs in the 50s to lower 60s, warmest west, coolest east, with a 5 to 10 mile an hour wind from the south and southwest. A bit breezier here on Sunday, maybe 10 to 15 miles per hour. Highs will be well into the 60s and even a few lower to middle 70s across the state, with a new storm system beginning to take shape to our southwest, which moves in here on Monday. It will not be an all-day rain. The chance of rain will be only about 20 to 30%. But there'll be a lot of dry hours and sunshine as well, with temperatures either side of 70. Same thing goes for Tuesday. The rain chances will be a little bit less on Tuesday as we're in between disturbances. Highs still remaining in from the mid-60s to the lower to middle 70s. Wednesday, here comes the storm system. We have two lows, one over about Sioux Falls, another down here on the Kansas-Colorado border. Some scattered showers are possible Wednesday afternoon. But here on Thursday, it really comes in. You see this deep trough coming in with this energy moving into western Iowa. This is at 1 p.m. on Thursday. And this could bring some showers and thunderstorms. Could there be severe weather? We're not sure yet. And I've color-coded possibility of snow in the Plain States, so we'll see if that occurs. We move into Friday. That low immediately deepens rapidly, moves way up to north of Thunder Bay, and then our attention turns to this high pressure I've circled, a 1048 millibar high that then moves south here a week from today. We still have the low churning now over Hudson Bay, and a trough really digging in across the middle part of the country. And that high that I have circled has now moved down to the Canadian border. It's filled slightly up to down to about 1,036, 1,040 millibar high, but it's going to be a very chilly weekend next weekend, not this weekend. A couple days later, Halloween night. Well, Halloween night, it's frightful, it's scary, and the weather is not going to be too great. It's going to be frightful and scary if this is right. We'll have southerly winds. It's not going to be terribly cold, but it could be terribly rainy. Scattered showers, maybe an embedded thunderstorm, but another batch of cold air looks to be coming down out of Canada if this is right. And at the end of the forecast, November the 4th, pretty wavy pattern across the country with a couple of disturbances to our southeast and to our southwest over Arizona. But it looks like most of the cold weather is just going to be to our north, with a high pressure center north of Grand Forks, North Dakota near Winnipeg, and maybe a few scattered showers around and a storm moving up the east coast. Could be a tropical system. We'll have to wait and see on that. But last night's satellite image, there's the system off to our east with the low clouds, the drizzle, the rain. Few high clouds to our west. We'll drift through this morning, and then it'll be mainly sunny the rest of the weekend until the next system well off to our west comes in. The watch warning map from last evening was pretty quiet across the country. Some red flag warnings to our west, some wind advisories in northern Montana with a few winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings in northwestern Washington, and in winter storm watches down in the Sierra, and everywhere else it's fairly quiet. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock. Showing rain amounts will be pretty scattered around here with the systems at midweek, maybe a quarter to a half an inch. The heaviest rains will be past this forecast run, however.